Hello guys, today we are here to solve a question from the topic integral functions, and let us see what does our question say. We have to integrate a function and the function looks like 1 upon root of 2 minus x raised to the power 2 plus 1. That is integration, and we have to integrate it with respect to x. Now you can see that this looks strikingly similar to a standard formula, that is integration of 1 upon root of a square plus x square, something like this, or integration of 1 upon under root 1 plus x square. This is similar to this. So just we have to simplify this expression and try to convert it into one of these forms. So let us see how do we do that. Okay, so what we do, we assume 2 minus x as t and then we differentiate it on the both sides. So we get minus dx is equal to dt. Now putting the values in the integration, we get minus of integration 1 upon root t square plus 1 dt. Now you can see that this form is exactly similar to this form. So now the integration is pretty easy. As we know that integration of 1 upon root x square plus 1 dt with respect to x is log of modulus x plus under root x square plus 1. So we are going to use this identity here and find our integration. Now moving to the next slide. So we have our integration as minus log t plus under root t square plus 1 plus c. We cannot leave our answer as in this form only, as this answer is in the variable t. So we have to back substitute the value of t in terms of x, as x was our original variable. So we replace t by 2 minus x. So we do the same here, replace t by 2 minus x and get our final answer as log of 1 upon some expression plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. So that is it. I hope you all got it. Thank you. Have a nice day.